Why the? We were just talking about what we were gonna do. All right, let's eat.
Y'all ready, family?
Yes. Got some chicken, young leg.
Let's hear that crunch.
Mine has that too. Thank you. I mean, pick one. This one and this one.
Got us adult wine.
Ooh. You
Never
had
go
it.
wrong. What do y'all think?
It's good.
Y'all gonna talk?
No. Do we have to talk? We don't want to talk on this one.
Let's enjoy ASMR.
If you want to talk, feel free. You got any sauces that are spicy? Is there more of that habanero mustard? Let me get some of that. I didn't have that no more. Where's that at?
Right there.
I'll pull the chicken closer to y'all. Would y'all like for that?
Mom, you can throw the habanero mustard away?
Yeah, because it was old. It had.
Can I get a napkin?
So get another spicy sauce.
There you go.
Thank you.
There you go. I can heat this up in a pan for you, Cole.
Napkin?
Want me to make you a thick sauce with this?
No, don't worry about it. Come on, let's see. Definitely good though. Nice crunch. Bomb flavors. Beautiful flavors. What do you think, Yasmin?
I think it's good.
Baby.
Nice crunch. Nice color. You can definitely taste all the seasonings. And it's perfectly cooked.
I always forget to keep up with how many pieces of chicken and what type of pieces. Excuse me, guys. I'm not aggressive to Tabasco. I've seen a little bit of kick in my life.
How is it, Janessa?
I love it. Honey?
I should definitely be able to hear your crunch since you're right there on the phone recording and everything. Anybody want this 1,000 iron?
Not cool.
Let's got some mayonnaise. Mix with some color. I really wish he was in this video. You want to pass it off? Say it out loud. Tell the people you don't want. Tell the people you don't want to be seen.
I want to be seen.
Nice.
I just love when y'all just eat my food. It does something to me. When people eat your food and enjoy it.
Today is just a fried chicken mukbang. We didn't do any sides or anything. We just wanted to, as you see, we got wings. We got drumsticks.
Hold one up, babe. Everybody do a little thumbnail. Everybody pick which one's your favorite piece of meat.
Ketchup.
Yeah, we just gonna eat.
Okay. I'm doing too much. Okay.
I like the meat.
We should probably start with that.
Yeah.
For example, if Janessa wanted 2 pieces of chicken, she probably not gonna eat them both. And I don't know if I will either. How many have you had, Yasmin? Looking for the leg. Oh,
2 wings. 1 drumstick.
This one's crispy. I hate to be touching on it. This one here. I'll eat that later.
We ain't no guests. We all live together. So no coronavirus.
You can see the bones in my plate. Right. Today on the agenda, we have Janessa. Say hi, Janessa.
Hi.
All right. And we have Yasmin in the building. Say hello, Yasmin. All right. Today they're going to be eating ramen noodles. Not really a challenge. Sort of kind of a challenge. Like we're going to see who eats the noodles first. They both, and we're going to see whoever eats the noodles first wins. All right. But we're really just kind of doing it more of a sound effect challenge, a slurping challenge. Because everybody, you know, it's hard to eat noodles without slurping. Would you agree?
Yes.
All right. Would you agree? You like to slurp your noodles?
Yeah.
All right. Me too. I usually like ramen though, real ramen. But ramen noodles, I'm guilty. I like to eat them. So let's go, ladies. Let's just tear it up. Enjoy. Real good?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Yeah, Yasmin.
Janessa loves ramen noodles.
Hot.
Hey, Yasmin too.
Are yours hot, Janessa?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
You
All
can
right.
see the steam coming
So they
out.
both have hot noodles. You can see the steam coming off of both of them. They were cooked at the same time. All right.
I have beef. She has chicken.
Okay, so we have Janessa eating the chicken, which are my favorites. Actually, I like spicy chicken. Picante chicken, whatever they call it. It's one of my favorites. But beef would be my second favorite before shrimp. But if I can get chicken, I'm going with chicken all day. So Janessa's coming in with the chicken noodles here. And Yasmin's coming through with the beef noodles. A little splashback on your glasses, baby. A little noodle juice. It gets dangerous over here in Noodle Kingdom. All that slurping and splashing of noodle juice takes someone's eye out. Yeah, I think I eat noodles a little bit more similar to Janessa without the hands. You know, less noodle, slurp each forkful up. Yasmin puts more of a, she starts the slurp and then the rest is a chew. Because once you get a mouthful of noodles, you chew them. So I slurp and swallow. No pun intended, of course. So, they're both about equal, I'd say, right now. I'm taking the noodles out. Maybe Yasmin has a little bit less to go. Let's get a little closer over here, see what we got. Janessa has quite a few here. Yasmin only has a couple bites. So it looks like she's probably going to take it down. You guys are only 3 minutes in. Yummy. Takes about the same amount of time to eat them as it does to cook them, I guess. About 3 minutes, maybe 4. Okay, baby. Make sure. Keep that. She's Going from beneath the noodle to the bottom. Okay. That's definitely different. I don't do that. So she has different processes to eating her noodles. I have one simple slurp and go process. At this point, it looks like she's attacking the noodles kind of with the head motion. That's a little different as well. At this point, they're a little warmer, easy to take in. Janessa's not playing any games when she catch up. Looks like Yasmin is still coming close to finishing. Just a couple more bites, maybe. Janessa's really trying to hang in there. She's taking this thing seriously. She's definitely a winner at heart. She wants to be a winner. They're both winners at heart. So they're both very used to taking it down and being number one in their lanes and categories. But we'll see who's going to come out victorious today. Who is going to eat their noodles up first? It's getting really close.
Do you have to drink the broth too?
You don't have to, no. I think that's a preference thing. I don't usually drink mine either. Maybe sometimes, and maybe just a little bit. But on this particular thing, it's finishing the noodles. That's all you gotta do. It's not playing no games.
I'm done.
Yep, I think I'll give it to Yasmin. Yasmin is the winner. Chicken dinner. Good job. Great job. They were good.
Thank you.
That's all that matters. The reward is a bowl of noodles. Good job there, Nessa. Nessa's finished up. Technically, maybe another bite of noodles, some people may say. Yasmin definitely finished first. But very good job, Janessa. Great job. Wonderful. It's done. All right, what's the next video you'd like to do here on YouTube? Eating video.
A food challenge?
Food challenge?
Like something spicy.
So you have to
But
go
for
against...
Sissy, she can't handle spicy.
You'd have to go
though.
against me. I think I'm the one that's going to have to go head to head with you. So we'll have to do that soon.
But Sissy can't handle spicy, so we'll have to have some spicy food she can eat.
Or it could be just me and you, like I just said.
Okay.
Heads up. And we'll have mom record it or someone will record it and we'll go. Janessa, what's the next eating video you'd like to do? I was thinking about maybe buying you guys one of those humongous pizzas that my friend had bought over that time for her birthday.
Pizza.
And it was humongous. It was almost the
that
size
was
of this
big.
island.
Big.
And then see how many of those y'all could take down together, you and her. Would you be down?
Yeah.
All right. Well, we'll definitely look into that. I believe the name of it is Cosmos Pizza, something like that. I'll have to check into it. Pretty good? You done? She got a little sunburn on her nose there. How do you get sunburn in the wintertime? I don't know. But that's how it goes in Colorado. Sun shines all the time. And it was pretty nice and bright the other day. It's been beautiful. It's pretty hot out there today, too. I had to take my jacket off, and I just went and got my toes done. So I pulled my sweats up, and I just been walking around with my sweats up at my knees.
So you can get some air?
Yeah. It's hot out there. It's very hot. All right. I would say they're done. YouTube, thanks for joining us as always. We're going to go ahead and get out of here, but we definitely will see you soon.
You should also try doing a spicy ramen challenge. And
You guys want to say bye to YouTube or no? Bye. See you guys.
See ya.
All right, who do we have here today? We have Janessa. Janessa, tell the people hi. Before we eat, can we say hi to everyone, Janessa? All right, cool. And then Yasmin.
Hello.
All right, we can tell Janessa is ready to eat. Absolutely. What I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna grab you guys a couple paper plates, so you can just grab, but have your own individual plate for your bones and everything there. Yay.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. All right, guys, I say dig in. Enjoy. All right. Looks yummy. What do we have here on the agenda? We have some air fried chicken wings, some plain there, and then we have some sauced up with our Buffalo Wild Wings Asian zing sauce. It looks amazing. Oh my god, it looks so good. I always have to steal one. This one here has my name all over it. I'm gonna just try this here. Mmm. Mmm. I don't even see which wing you had, but I see the leftovers of it. The carcass. What do you think, Jasmine?
Seasoning's good. The sauce is good. The crunch is amazing. It's a perfect wing.
Nice, Janessa. What are your thoughts? Is it yummy? Tasty? Really good. Okay. Nice. You're not playing no games with it, are you, baby? Good old-fashioned plate of chicken wings. I'm gonna throw my bones away.
The sauce perfectly coats the chicken. Not too much, not too little.
Can't wait for my plate. This stuff looks amazing. Amazing, I tell you. Look at that. Homemade chicken wings. We did use Buffalo Wild Wings Asian zing sauce. You can buy it at Walmart, any local grocer. Then we just got some regular air fried wings. Let me go ahead and try one of these just to be safe.
Wow.
Everybody sees
Let's
it.
see. Here. And there.
Yeah, you can put it in your mouth. She doesn't like anything green. She thinks it's a vegetable.
Top. Let's see.
Yasmin, another deliciously cooked meal.
Thank you.
You're amazing.
Cold.
Yes, ma'am.
Not hit me.
It's not a race. It's just all about, well, you can take your time, but I do wonder who can eat the most wings.
I'm not gonna finish this whole plate.
Yummy. I will say I had one of each. They both are delicious. I like the crispy texture that we get from the air fried naked wings. And that spicy kick. Just the right amount of heat on the back of your throat. All these Asian zing wings. It's phenomenal. Delicious.
Chicken's perfectly cooked and juicy in the middle.
I see you. I know you're not done. I'm not done. Eat some more.
I'm laughing.
You want one of these?
What?
Yeah.
Hey, mine.
No, they're not. You just got one of hers then.
Yeah.
It's called sharing.
Okay.
Pretty yummy, huh?
Sauce.
Sauce, yep.
And I'm a horse.
Got Yasmin's little pile of bones that she's got. Janessa's little pile. We'll tune back in with you guys soon and see where we finished off. See who eats the most wings and what their plate looks like when it's all said and done in the dripping kitchen. See you soon. Say bye, guys.
Bye.